In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a social media content planner in Notion. Whether you're a seasoned social media manager or just starting out, a well-structured content planner can make all the difference in keeping your online presence organized and impactful. So let's dive right in and set up a system that will help you streamline your social media planning process. To get started, open up Notion. If you're new to this tool, it's a fantastic workspace that can handle everything from note-taking to project management. First, you're going to create a new page. This will be the foundation of your content planner, so you want it to be a space that's both functional and easy for you to navigate. Once you have your new page, go ahead and give it a meaningful name like Social Media Planner. This will make it easily identifiable among any other pages or documents you may have within Notion. Next, to truly start building out your planner, you'll click on the plus icon within Notion and select a table view. This table will serve as your content database, essentially the core of your planner where all your data will be housed. A table view is particularly powerful because it's straightforward and lets you easily manage rows and columns of information. Much like a spreadsheet, but with more dynamic flexibility. Now, it's time to add your core columns. Think about the essential information you need to track for your social media content. Some common columns might include the date of posting, the content title, platform, status, and perhaps even the type of content, such as video, image, or article. Feel free to customize these columns based on your specific needs. Notion allows you to drag and drop column headers, so you can easily rearrange them to match your workflow. After setting up your table, let's optimize your planner's functionality by creating multiple views. Multiple views can significantly enhance how you interact with your data. For instance, you might have a calendar view for a more visual representation of your posting schedule, or a board view to manage tasks that are in different stages, like ideas, drafts, scheduled posts, and published content. These custom views allow you to toggle between different perspectives of your content, giving you the flexibility to plan and track your social media strategy effectively. And there you have it, a social media content planner in Notion that's ready to keep you organized and on track. With this setup, you can easily manage both the macro and micro aspects of your content, ensuring your social media presence is both consistent and engaging. I hope this method brings order to your creative process and helps you achieve your social media goals. Thanks for watching, and happy planning.